Notice to visitors. Number 1. For the safety and the preservation of cultural relics, the park is non-smoking area, prohibiting all smoking and fire. 2. 游客应自觉遵守游览秩序，参观时按顺序购票入园，不得拥挤，以免堵塞道路的出入口。Number 2. Tourists should observe public order. Take ticketing admission system accordingly. Crowding is not allowed in case of blocking off the entrance and exit. 3. 游客游览时要注意保管好个人物品，照顾好老人和儿童，注意安全。
Number 3. Tourists should take care of their own belongings and the elderly and the children.
4. 遇到雪天、雨天等恶劣天气，要注意防滑，并遵从工作人员的指挥。Number 4. Under the bad weather like raining and snowing, please watch the steps for sliding. 5. 不打架斗殴，不聚众闹事，不搞封建迷信及色情服务，不进行赌博，不携带危险品及动物进入景区。Number 5. Fighting, public disturbance, superstition, and erotic activities. Gambling, dangerous items, and pets are not allowed in the park. 6. 客流高峰期间不要拥挤，应迂回游览。在进入窄小通道时，要按顺序出入。Number 6. Avoid getting piling up during the peak hour. An indirect route for the touring is advised. 7. 进园后，任何人不得逗留、留宿，不得翻越、毁坏围墙及栅栏。Number 7. Nobody is allowed to remain inside. Camp, no climbing over the walls and the fences in the park after closing. 8. 爱护文物，严禁在树木、名胜古迹和公共设施上涂抹刻划，严禁刊登古建筑物。Number 8. Please keep the cultural relics, streets, historical sites, and public facilities away from the damaging, scratching, or marking. Also, ancient buildings are not allowed to climb up. 咨询电话6076-1148，紧急救援电话6076-1148，投诉电话6076-1164。Inquiry hotline 6076-1148. First aid call 6076-1148. Ambulance hotline
Bên kia mình không nhìn thấy kìa, có chú kìa, thành bên kia thấy kìa.